Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up Morningstar research alert in Merrill Edge. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set up Morningstar research alert on Merrill Edge, all you can do is simply log in into your Merrill Edge account. So once you log in into your Merrill Edge account, all you gotta do now is simply navigate to the alert section of the platform. This can be often be found under a research or accounts tab, or potentially a dedicated alerts icon of the bell. So once you find this, you can look for an option to add a new alert or manage alert rules. This might be a button labeled add or new alert. Select the security alert type, and in the alert configuration menu, you should find a list of alert types. Rating change, research report are some examples. So enable the desired Morningstar alerts by clicking the corresponding switch or checkbox and select your preferred delivery method. Now you can save your alert and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.